Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix snipping tool partial screenshot is tiny in Windows 11. First method is reset and repair snipping tool app. Second method is uninstall and reinstall snipping tool. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.